Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. And you guys, we will stop making Ninja Speedi chicken Alfredo videos when people stop watching them. So, today we're going to try something a little bit differently. I'm making the full pound of pasta again. So, I want to see if instead of doing 2 jars of Alfredo sauce like they recommend an entire jar for every 8 ounces of pasta. I'm going to do a 15-ounce jar of Alfredo and a 15 ounces worth of chicken broth. And then instead of adding water, I'm going to add cashew milk. And I just want to see if that will come out creamy. Because I've tried a couple different recipes trying to make it creamy without adding 2 entire jars of Alfredo. So we're going to see. And if you've been watching us for a while, you know that we're weird. We do a whole bunch of stuff in here. So we have a pound of the little elbows. Then we have a 15-ounce jar of this Bertolli Alfredo. Then I filled it up to the neck right here with some regular chicken broth. And then we did the recipe, if you go by it and you're like doubling it, like if you double their actual Ninja Test Kitchen recipe, it says 4 cups of water. I don't know. Maybe it's just because I'm using the elbows, but I got to 3 cups of unsweetened cashew milk, and it already looked like tons of liquid, so I did not put that 4th cup in. And then I got this Better Than Bouillon smoky chipotle thing the other day, so we did a teaspoon of that. And we don't like, or I love broccoli. Mr. Cameraman doesn't love broccoli. So we put some green beans in there. And I'd say it's a little bit more than 12 ounces. Now we're going to put a chicken breast on top for Mr. Cameraman. And then turn it on. And we will see what happens. One thing I've noticed as I continually use the Ninja more and more, these little corner things, they don't like stay out as well. We did the 390 for 15 minutes, and then I shredded the chicken and mixed it back in. And at the end of the video, I give this like kind of a thumbs up, and it really was not good. The sauce was like totally non-existent, and somehow, even though I added less liquid than they wanted me to, the there was like no sauce. The pasta was way overcooked. I definitely would not recommend trying this. The leftovers are actually still in the fridge. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.